Hi guys, welcome back to Kid Perfect. Today we are going to be doing a video on our squishies. And
Tablet 2.
We're just going to be ranking each other's squishies 1 out of 10. And if we get 100K viewers on this video, we will be sending
you
away
some of our squishies and signing them.
Every single one. And our homemade ones, the crappy ones.
And we'll make you some too, if you guys want us to. We'll do a tutorial on how to make them.
And yeah, so we'll get into the first one. I'll go first. We got the
Neato.
Ice Cube Neato. All right, next
Guys,
up,
I'm going to be doing the green dumpling. It's real. Next up,
we have the real Neato cheese, but we got he was doing some trading and he got it off this. So
next, guys, I will be showing you my pink cute dog that's filled with sand, and yeah. It's pretty satisfying. It's not the best, but traded it with my cousin.
We have a fake mini dumpling. All right, and we have one more fake dumpling, mini dumpling.
My other ones, we cut it up because why not? And next one, we got my cousin made this. So you have like tissues inside and then like this, but look.
All right, then we have the pink jellyfish Neato.
All right, next guys, we're gonna be doing my kind of messed up popsicle a little bit. The thing's missing, but it's like a tablet, a little. It's no squishy. It's not the best. Like, you can stretch it, but yeah.
We have Sandman, as we call it, but it's got sand inside of it, and it's just very stretchy. ASMR, really good, but
this is my off-brand Ice Cube. It's pretty satisfying.
So this is a strawberry. We don't know.
Squishy?
It's a Tabba squishy, but it's a strawberry. It sticks to your hand really easily. Like, look.
So you guys,
it will stick to the root. We'll leave it on the whole entire video.
comment down below if you can find it on the next video.
Yeah.
And this is my off-brand yellow Neato. It's pretty satisfying.
And this is dog print.
Did you do this one?
A paw print.
I don't think you did.
Here.
I'll do
And
it.
then
I'll do it next.
and then
we
guys,
got the off-brand Dream Drop or Gum Drop. Pretty satisfying.
And what we're gonna show you in this video is how to open
And then one more.
a mini dumpling.
No.
How to open a mini dumpling without making everything go everywhere. So we're just gonna bring you into the bathroom,
No, Lucas, we're not doing
and then
this.
we're just gonna go, and we're just gonna show you that you don't have to pop it with a certain thing. So look.
I didn't sign up for this.
So you got.
No, don't break it.
So, and then you got your spoon.
You're not breaking that.
So
Guys, you have to give us at least 10 views on this video and we'll pop that. Not right now. No, Lucas.
and then it's popped, right?
Bro.
You're gonna go like this. Watch.
So annoying.
And then we're gonna make another, but a bigger dumpling for you guys. Wait. And then you got the bigger dumpling. And then you're just gonna go squishing in. Now fill it in, Gio.
I think I can just do this. Go for it. Guys, we are making purple.
And then you're just gonna rinse it with water now.
We're going to put it in with water, actually, too. Fill it. Tell you when to stop. Stop. Then we're going to need...
All right, guys. Now we're just gonna need some
like
glue. And let's see. Do you have any glue?
No.
Yes. Hey, shout out Shulana.
Shunala.
Shulana.
I don't have glue.
You want glue? Okay. Alright, guys. We'll see you in the next video. Peace.